Okay, all right. Hey, welcome back to worksheet 11. Okay, I received feedback from my bomber Tommy. He said that his question 11 is correct, but somehow he marked him wrong. Okay, all right. Answer is still correct. 22.5. Don't worry, okay? All right. Did I share my screen already? Haven't? Ayo, no wonder you look at my face. Okay, let's start. In this chapter, you know what we are doing now. We are actually doing shapes of perimeter and perimeter. Okay, then we do square, we do rectangle. The coming up will be circle next week. Okay, triangle also revising on this. Then next week is about circle already. Something new. A little bit of new things that you need to learn. In terms of their features of the characteristics of the circle, all that. Okay, so I set aside some time for the circle part. Okay, all right, same thing. We will be going through the question, but not every question, right? Because some are repeated ones, then I leave it for you to explore. Okay, ayo, this one's so easy, right? Okay, let's start from the area of this square. Okay, highlight the key thing, the square. What can you understand from the square? The four sides are equal. So we say 4 equal sides. And this is given as the area. So when you have an area, what can you say about this square? This square is what? What can you say about this? They have four equal sides here. Okay. Now, 4 equal sides, this is a common thing I have to highlight. When the area is 64, and this is in cm square, they have 4 sides. In order to find one side, what can I do? Let's ask for Jaden. Jaden, you are first to be called, so lucky, right? So what is the thing called? What can be multiplied to give you 64 when there is a side, which they are all side equal? What is the answer? Jaden? Very good. 8 times 8. Now, this is easy because you know the timetable very well. But to be exact, how you get down to 8, you actually square root of 64. Okay? Square root of 64, and that gives you 8. So my side is 8. So since the side is 8, right? He's asking you to find the perimeter. They didn't ask you to find the side only. So what's the perimeter of the square? So since you know that this is 8 cm by 8 cm, right? So now the perimeter is easy already for you, right? Serena, can you help me with the perimeter, please? How to find this perimeter?
8 times 4.
Very good. Because all the sides are equal. So this one is the easiest sum of all. Thank you. Okay. Next. Before we end, we must always fill it up. Okay. Next. This one I need to go through every single part. Take a look. Now, the square is first divided into 2 parts. Where are the 2 parts here? 2 equal half. Okay. So this is 1 half. Then the other one is second half. Okay. The top half is cut into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the bottom is cut into 3. So meaning to say, okay, you have 2 equal half, and the top itself is cut into 5 equal parts. Okay, and the bottom here, let's take a look at this bottom. The other half is cut into 3 equal parts. All right, so the total area of the shaded part is 198. So total area So what I do is I have to highlight the total area of the shaded part is 198. Shaded, shaded, okay? And then what is the area of this square? He wants to know the area of the square. This is the key thing that he's asking for. Okay, so very good, Lord. You can see that this is all made up of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other side is 3. Thank you so much. Okay, so then after that, what happened? What can you do now? Since they are all the same, right? So since this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, All right. Okay. So it's a 5 unit. Here is 3 unit. But they are supposed to be the same, right? Same half. Okay. They are of the same half. So how? They must have a common unit that you can think of. What is a common number you can think of, which this number is divided, it can be divided by 5 and 3 itself. Okay, let's ask, Serena has answered. Jaden has. Tommy, what is the common number you can think of for 5 and 3? I can change them into what?
15.
Yes, 15 parts here. So for 15 units, I need to do something here. So I change this to 15. How to change? Use eraser. No, you change this to 15 so that you can have 15 unit here. Okay, so that you have also 15 unit here. Yes, you times 5. So meaning to say, inside will have how many unit? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You have 5, 10, and 15. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. All right. Just now you draw the box already, ma. Okay. All right. Tommy, if you draw the box, then you leave it there first. Don't do anything. Go on. Go on. Okay. Okay. Now you leave it. Don't do anything. This one I will keep. Now, for here, what is my shaded part? Sabrina, can you help me to count what is the number of the units in the shaded part here? Okay, Jaden, let Serena do it. Answer the question. So what is the total shaded part here? How many unit is that? Any idea, Serena? Yeah, the shaded part is the gray color one. How many parts are shaded?
11.
Yes, how you get your 11? 3 unit, 3 unit, 5 unit. Okay, all right. So then you have 11 units. Okay, when I'm teaching, don't annotate first. Okay, so the shaded part is 198 cm square. What? Oh, so will you be able to find the one shaded unit or not? Let's try. How to find the one shaded unit? Let's ask for Angie. Angie, can you help me to find one unit for this? When 11 units will give you 198. So Angie, can you help me to find one unit here?
198 divided by 11.
Yes. This one you use calculator lah. I think 18 if I'm correct. Okay, so one unit itself is 18. All right, Tommy, don't cross that one. Tommy, don't cross that. Erase the crosses inside the box. Leave it there. Don't do anything yet. So since I have one unit, he wants to know the whole area, right? So now what must you do? You must find your 15 unit, lor. Okay. So to find 15 unit, what must you do? 18. Wait, is it 15 unit, class? Is it 15 unit? No, Jaden say something. Jaden?
30.
30. Very good. Hey, when I here say 15 is a wrong thing, you must actually quickly say it. Cannot just leave it as like, oh, assume teacher everything correct. Okay, because sometimes I want to catch whether you are listening or not. Oh, okay. Then you multiply by 30. Why 30? Why cannot 15? Because they are asking you for the whole area, ma. So whole area all is 13. So you get how many? 540 cm square. Okay, the whole thing. Thank you. Do not do it in pink already. I need that to leave on to save this. Otherwise I cannot save. Okay, leave it. Don't touch. Thank you. Okay, so then I put here 540. Oh, that's good, right? Okay, leave it, Tommy. If not, I don't allow you to do annotation at all today. One more time, no more bomber for you. I take away your bomber role. Then you got no duty. Okay? You want to do duty, you must work together, right? Okay, leave it. This manner is good. I don't mind. But don't do something extra already. This is already perfect. Thank you. Okay, good participation from all of you. Okay, I stop for 3 seconds. Just tell me, any questions so far?
3 seconds up.
Okay, 3 seconds up. Give me thumbs up if you're okay. Let me check. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Good, good, good. Angie, thumbs up already?
Yep.
Ayo. Oh yeah, Angie, can you do the icon thumbs up?
How?
How? Okay, let me check.
Go to the reaction.
Go to the reaction, Ayo, where's the reaction,
Oh,
Oh, wait.
this?
Teach me. Oh, reaction. I also have. Now I know. I have this. Then how hide? How to hide? Go to reaction again.
No, it's just going to go until it's for a limited time.
Oh, for limited time. Okay. So I also can do 3条线, right? 3 line. Got 3 line or not? Let's try out. Okay, 3 line. Oh, I got this. Okay, so if I got this, means yes, we are done and we can go to the next level.
And also, by the way,
Good.
did you know that there's actually a 3 dots, which means that
Yeah.
there's more?
3. Yeah. I saw that. Then I go to more. Yeah, thank you. I learned something new from you all. Very good. So you see, we learn from one another, learn from each other. Okay, so we must explore. Lor. Angie, you have anything to ask? They are very helpful to answer you, especially Tommy. My bomber, he's very helpful one. Okay.
Okay.
Angie, 不要客气, okay? Okay, let's take a look here. Oh, cannot leh. Sorry. Tommy, this one will not keep because it's your annotation.
Unless
I
you
cannot
want me
keep.
to save it.
Cannot.
Okay, then I'll just do it.
Cannot. Yeah, okay, because I need the original. Because I will need to post it up. 谢谢. But it's very effort lah. Thank you so much. But everybody get to see. You see? So you get acknowledgement also. That's good. Ayo, this one. I tell you, there's a trick. We try to do this. Okay. Now, there are 6 identical squares lie inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The purple one is not square. Purple one is like the staircase. Right?
Actually,
Then
there's a very big secret.
Ella,
Would
big
you like me
secret.
to tell it to you?
No. Don't tell.
Why not?
Later. Okay, so there are 6 identical squares lie within that. Each is 2 by 2. So you know the measurement. He want the perimeter. Perimeter of which one? PQRS. That means the outline of the whole rectangle. Lor. Okay, all right.
So easy.
Tommy, you want to present? Okay, I leave it to you. You must present. Speak slower so that everyone can understand. Then I'll help you to write it. Okay, now my turn to help you to write the sentence. Okay, ready, go. Tommy.
QP is actually equals to 4 squares.
Okay, so you want to write here 4 units,
Yeah.
Okay, Ken, I help you with the 4 units. Very good. How you get 4?
Because over here it says identical squares, which means it's this. That's a line over here.
Yes. So all this is.
And of course, at the top, there's actually also 2 squares.
Okay, this
and
is
by
here.
the way, do you know there's actually another way to do this? In a way, if you can imagine it, the staircase can actually become a rectangle.
Correct. You are right. Okay, so we simplify things first. Okay, thank you. Jaden is also trying to help to put it into squares, right? Not okay. So then never mind. Since you know that this is 2, 2, 2, 2, right? What can you do? We just put there 2 meter, 2 meter, and 2 meter. So technically, from here to here is 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay, 6 meters. Okay, so I know that this is the dimension for 6 meter, right? Okay, I need a ruler. Very good. Jaden said that one is 8. 2, 4, 6. Jaden say here to here is 8 meters. So technically you can find already the perimeter.
Yep.
Okay, the perimeter of the whole thing will be.
And actually, do you know that I'm actually still working on this?
They're still what again?
I'm actually still working on this. It's something called diamonds.
What do you mean by that?
See,